Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to give a collaborator full access on Shopify, step by step. Have you ever found yourself needing to delegate tasks on your Shopify store, whether it's to a team member or a trusted business partner? Sometimes, it's crucial to provide them with full control over your store operations to ensure everything runs smoothly. Today, we're going to guide you through the comprehensive steps required to grant a collaborator full access on your Shopify store, making the process simple and straightforward. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is set up a role on Shopify that allows full access. Here's how you can go about it. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center for managing various aspects of your store. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll spot the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new menu filled with various store management features. In this new menu, direct your attention to the left panel and locate the option labeled Users. Click on it, and you will notice a drop-down appearing on the left side of your screen. From this drop-down, find and select the option called Roles. This is where you have the opportunity to define the level of access for different users on your Shopify store. To create a new role that grants full access, click on the button that says Add Role. Now is the time to get a bit creative. Assign a name to this role that clearly indicates its purpose. For simplicity, you might want to name it something like Full Access. If you foresee adding multiple roles in the future, consider adding a description too. This description can offer quick insights into what each role is authorized to do. Here's a crucial part of the process: enabling all permissions. By selecting all permissions, you ensure that this role is capable of performing every task available on the Shopify platform. This is particularly important if your collaborator needs unrestricted access to manage your store effectively. Take a moment to meticulously double-check that every permission has indeed been enabled, then proceed to save the role. This will add it to your list of roles, ready for use. With your newly created role all set up, the next step involves assigning it to the user or collaborator who requires this level of access. Head back to the Users section on the left panel to view a list of everyone who currently has access to your store. Identify and select the user or collaborator you wish to upgrade to this new role. Once you've clicked on their profile, you'll find the option to modify their current role. Simply switch their existing role to the full access role you've just created. And just like that, you've successfully granted a collaborator full access on Shopify. This ensures they have all the capabilities they need to assist in managing your store efficiently. Remember, giving someone full access is a significant responsibility, so make sure to choose someone you trust completely to handle this level of control over your business operations. Should you need to adjust permissions in the future, you can easily revisit the Roles section to make any necessary changes. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to give a collaborator full access on Shopify, step by step. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.